In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build page templates in Zoho Commerce. We'll look at how page templates and layouts work, and how you can create or customize them without writing code. I'll also point out where advanced users might work with custom template files, though everything we'll do here uses the visual tools built into Zoho Commerce. Think of Zoho Commerce's site builder, also called the visual editor, as your main workspace. It gives you pre-designed page layouts and themes, plus flexible sections you can drag, drop, and customize. These layouts act like page templates in practice. You choose a layout or start from a blank page, then make it your own by editing the content blocks and arranging sections. This is perfect for home pages, product or collection pages, custom store pages, and even landing, about, or contact pages, all without touching code. Start by logging in to your Zoho Commerce admin and opening the Site Builder or Visual Editor, typically found under Storefront or directly on the dashboard. Create something new by selecting New Page, or jump into a landing or page layout if you already have one in mind. Pick a template layout to get a head start, or choose a blank section if you prefer full control. From there, use the visual menu to add, edit, or rearrange sections. You can place banners at the top, weave in text and images, drop in calls to action, highlight featured products or collections, and add forms where needed. Rearranging is as simple as dragging sections until the flow feels right. When you're satisfied, save your work, preview how it looks on desktop and mobile, and then publish your page. This method covers most store needs and keeps everything consistent with your chosen theme. If you want a dedicated static page you can manage over time, use the Pages area under Storefront. In your Commerce admin, go to Pages and click New to create one. Give it a clear page name, set the URL, and enter your SEO details so search engines understand the page. Save the page, then select Edit Content to open the site editor, and design the layout with text, images, and other sections just like before. When everything looks good, publish. These static pages aren't templates in the developer sense, but they function like reusable page patterns you can manage and update as your store grows. For advanced customization, Zoho Commerce supports custom template files, but for most situations, the site builder and static pages will do the job cleanly and quickly. Preview often, keep your sections focused, and publish with confidence.